Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, December 22nd. It's about 6 degrees right now, and it's going to get a lot colder by morning. The snowstorm's gone. Sun's trying to poke through. Got blue sky. Oh man, we got between 1 inch and 2 inches here in northeastern Oklahoma. And it is frigid. I'm glad I got the cold frames buttoned up. I just thought you'd like to know what we got as far as the weather went. Well, it looks like everything stayed about where we put it yesterday, even though the wind was blowing really hard today. I think it was gusting up to 30 miles an hour. Check out this blowing snow. I know there's a lot of places getting it a lot worse than I'm getting it. You guys just stay warm out there. Looks like we are going to have a white Christmas after all. I've got a pot of coffee on, so I'm going to go back in the house and thaw out just a little bit. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.